So hello guys, today I'm here outside the backyard of my house to shoot this video on this uh, very beautiful day, right? It's going to rain, I guess, but today I'm going to talk about a concept that has been really helpful to me in every situation, right? It has this concept emerges from a book called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, and this uh, concept is applicable to all situations in life, right? So whenever you feel stressed, or you're like just you don't know what to do, or you're overthinking about the situation too much, you can just categorize that situation in all these three actionable options that you can categorize that situation in, and then take steps accordingly, right? So first thing is like leave the situation. So if you think about leaving the situation, right, there's nothing much that can be done about it, right? You can just the first thing is that uh, right now about this pandemic, right? So taking an example of the pandemic right now, uh, you can either think that okay, this is going on, I'm not used to it and everything. You can just leave the situation and try to go somewhere else, but right now you cannot do that because everywhere else it's the same thing, right? Either you can go to a if you have a lot of money, and if you believe that there's life possible in another planet, then probably you can go by leaving this, right? You can do that. Next thing that you can do is you can either change the situation. So how can you change the situation, right? uh, so example, if you're like going by a driving, and there's a very slow driver in front of you, so rather than beeping and honking at him, what you can do is you can just take a different route and go, right? There's no point of like stressing about it and yelling at the driver, or like beeping and honking. You can just take a different route and go. Taking in consideration the current pandemic situation right now, either if you have a lot of money, right, you can either buy a private island like Cristiano Ronaldo, right, and you can save yourself from coronavirus, right? That is what you can do. Or if you believe that uh, you have the intellectual mind of creating a vaccine, you can do that. But if do you have it? No. Are you a scientist? No. If are you a doctor who can do it? If you are not in that category, then probably you can uh, there's nothing much that you can do to change the situation, right? If you're not being able to do all that, if you don't have the money to do all this, then you are left with the last option, that is the accept the situation, right? Accepting is means you accept it, you embrace the situation. For example, there's a pandemic going on right now, right? Okay, there's something like this going on, but I know that this is happening everywhere, and there's nothing much that I can do about it. So I accept it, and I do something right now that would be helpful to me in future when the pandemic gets over, right? So that is how you accept the situation, and you can do everything possible to take care of yourself and those around you, right? That is the most you can do, and that is how you can accept the situation, right? So this is what I wanted to talk about in this video, right? And there are much more videos to come on this channel, so you can like it, share it, and subscribe it. And there's a bell button in below it. You can smash it, spank it, and demolish it, and then stay tuned to